If you thought the action camera world had already hit its limit, it might be time to think again. Because the latest leaks about the DJI Osmo Action 6 aren't pointing to just another refresh. They're hinting at something much bigger, a camera that could shift the entire conversation in the action cam market. And honestly, if these leaks are even half true, GoPro might be facing its toughest competition yet. Let's begin with the centerpiece of this camera, the sensor. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to come with a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor. Now that might not sound dramatic to someone who doesn't live and breathe cameras, but in practice, it's a game changer. Why? Because the size of your sensor directly affects how much light your camera can capture. More light equals better clarity, better detail, and better colors, especially in low-light situations. That means the Action 6 could finally solve one of the biggest pain points of action. Cameras, poor nighttime, and indoor performance. Imagine recording your friends around a bonfire at night, or capturing city nightlife in crisp detail without it looking like a grainy mess. That's the kind of real-world difference a 1-inch sensor makes. But the resolution is where things start to sound almost unbelievable. The leaks suggest support for 8K at 30 frames per second. Yes, 8K. To put that into perspective, that's 4 times the resolution of 4K and 16 times sharper than Full HD. You could film in 8K, then crop or zoom during editing and still end up with razor-sharp 4K footage. And it doesn't stop there. The Action 6 is also said to shoot in 5.3K at 60 frames per second, 4K at a silky smooth 120 frames, and 1080p at 240 frames per second for ultra-dramatic slow motion. Imagine every drop of water frozen in mid-air as you surf, every grain of dirt flying during a motocross race, or every snowflake captured while snowboarding. These frame rates make even ordinary moments feel epic. Now let's talk about color and dynamic range. DJI is rumored to bring 10-bit recording with a D-Log-M profile to this camera. For creators, this is huge. 10-bit means over 1 billion possible colors compared to the 16 million you get with standard 8-bit recording. In practice, this means smoother skies, richer gradients, more lifelike skin tones, and far more room to adjust your footage in editing. Combine that with up to 13.5 stops of dynamic range, and suddenly, you're looking at footage that retains detail in both the brightest highlights and the darkest shadows. Whether you're shooting under direct sunlight, inside caves, or in fast-changing lighting conditions, your footage looks balanced and cinematic, but great visuals aren't enough if the footage looks shaky. And DJI knows this. That's why the Action 6 is rumored to feature RockSteady 4.0, their most advanced stabilization system yet. But here's the jaw-dropper. New Horizon Steady mode that can keep your horizon level even if the camera does a full 360-degree spin. Picture this. You're strapped to a roller coaster. You're surfing giant waves, or you're mountain biking on a rocky trail. Even if the camera flips, rotates, or tumbles, your horizon stays locked perfectly in place. That's the kind of stability that can make action cam footage look like it was shot on professional gear without the bulk. Now, this is where DJI really separates itself from the competition: smartwatch integration. According to leaks, the Osmo Action 6 might connect directly to your smartwatch. Think Apple Watch, Garmin, or others. Imagine tapping your wrist to start recording, change modes, or even check your camera status. But here's where it gets even cooler. You could overlay your performance data straight onto the footage. Speed, heart rate, altitude, distance, maybe even cycling power or dive depth. For athletes, cyclists, divers, or fitness enthusiasts, this is next level. Imagine posting a cycling video where your heart rate and cadence are displayed live, or a diving video that shows your depth and oxygen stats. It's not just video anymore. It's storytelling through data. The design is also rumored to see some important changes. Reports suggest the Action 6 might be slightly bulkier than the Action 5 Pro, but this could be for good reason. A larger body allows better cooling, meaning you can record at high resolutions for longer without overheating. The build is expected to be more rugged, with an improved lens bezel for extra protection and grip. And then there's waterproofing leaks, point to 18 to 20 meters of depth without needing a housing. That's almost double what many cameras in this category can handle out of the box. For divers, surfers, and swimmers, this could be a huge deal. And let's not forget about endurance. One of the most frustrating things about action cameras is short battery life, especially when shooting in 4K. But the Action 6 is rumored to pack a 1950 milliamp-hour battery. With up to 4 hours of 4K recording, for hours, that's practically unheard of in this category. Add in built-in storage, support for microSD expansion, Wi-Fi 6.4 ultra-fast transfers, Bluetooth 5.14 stable connections, and even USB-C with possible DisplayPort output. And you've got a camera that's just as powerful for creators and streamers as it is for adventurers. Now, price leaks suggest the Osmo Action 6 will start somewhere around $329 to $429 for the standard kit, with adventure bundles or combo packs climbing closer to $579. When you consider everything this camera is rumored to deliver, that price actually feels surprisingly competitive. It's in line with GoPro, but potentially offering a lot more for your money. And this is where we come back to the big question. Is this finally the camera that makes GoPro sweat? For years, GoPro has been the name people think of first when it comes to action cameras. They've owned the crown, and while there's been competition, nobody's truly threatened their dominance. But DJI has been gaining ground fast. With each release, the Action series has inched closer, and now, the Osmo Action 6 feels like the camera that could finally tip the balance. Bigger sensor, higher resolution, smarter stabilization, smartwatch integration, longer battery life, it all stacks up to a package that feels fresh, innovative, and honestly a little bit dangerous for GoPro. Of course, there's always a disclaimer. These are leaks. Specs can change, features can be cut, and sometimes the final product doesn't quite match the hype. But even with that in mind, the Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting pieces of tech we'll see. In 2025, if DJI delivers on even most of these promises, this could easily become the action camera to beat this year. So now it's your turn. Would you actually pick the DJI Osmo Action 6 over a GoPro? Are these features enough to make you switch, or are you sticking with what you know? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this is one debate that's going to heat up fast. And if you want to stay updated on all the latest leaks, reviews, and hands-on tests, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Because trust me, when this camera finally drops, you're going to want to see exactly how it performs in the real world. The action camera wars are just getting started, and things are about to get very interesting.